Wait for a minute. If you find any topic in maths which is very difficult for you, you can just suggest me within the class, or you can just type me, ma'am, I'm just weak in this topic. Please do discuss this topic tomorrow. So every day, I suppose, Abhi, I'll give you a new schedule of this remedial maths remedial classes, and Payal ma'am will also give you this this schedule, new schedule when I'll give you. So you have to attend the classes, and before that class, when you know the schedule, you just tell me on the WhatsApp group itself that, ma'am, I'm weak in this topic. Please do discuss this topic. Anything from the maths. Anything from the maths. These are your extra classes. I can give you activities also, and they are not compulsory, but if
And
you
we
want
can
to attend, if you will attend, it will be great for you. If you will attend these,
excuse me, ma'am.
ha beta Yashmit.
Ma'am, we can ask that things only that we have done.
नहीं नहीं नहीं. And I said anything related to maths. Anything. नॉट कि ये जरूरी नहीं है कि जो आपने पढ़ लिया है, आप वो भी पूछ सकते हो जो नहीं पढ़ा है आपने. ठीक है, और कुछ ऐसा भी पूछ सकते हो जो आपकी मैथ्स बुक में नहीं है. एनीथिंग रिलेटेड टू मैथ्स यू कैन आस्क मी इन दीज पीरियड्स. ओके. इफ यू फाइंड एनी पजल वगैरह भी अगर आपको अच्छा लग रहा है तो लेट अस वी विल डिस्कस दैट आल्सो. ठीक है. और आपको कोई टॉपिक समझ में नहीं आया जैसे
Excuse me, ma'am.
वेट. Now excuse. Now you can say what you were saying. It was disconnected actually. Yeah. What we were saying?
Ma'am, I
हाँ
Ma'am, I
वामिका.
cannot understand. Uh, Ma'am, I cannot understand the subtraction in multiplication.
सब्ट्रैक्शन इन मल्टीप्लिकेशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन एंड मल्टीप्लिकेशन. बेटा आज हम ताज नंबर्स डिस्कस करने वाले हैं. आपको जो भी टॉपिक है आप मुझे व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पर मैसेज कर दिया करेंगे एक दिन पहले. लाइक टुडे वी आर हैविंग 2 क्लास. चलो नेक्स्ट पीरियड में वी विल डिस्कस. अभी हम लार्ज नंबर्स डिस्कस कर रहे हैं तो नेक्स्ट पीरियड में हम वो डिस्कस कर लेंगे.
No, ma'am, in measurement, I forget.
यू फॉरगेट व्हाट?
Ma'am, in measurement, not in
Okay, we will
not in
discuss that also. We will
multiplication.
discuss that also. ठीक है, no issues. We will discuss that in the next period. आज हम large numbers करेंगे.
After we can discuss the 21. Ma'am, we can discuss the tables after the 20 also.
Yes, you can discuss the table after the 20 also, but not it is not बेटा 20 के आगे tables learn नहीं करी जाती है. Okay, it's not important to learn the tables after 20. ठीक है, you should learn the tables
Ma'am,
in 15. हाँ प्रत्यक्ष.
Ma'am, I didn't understand 12th chapter pictorial representation and data handling.
ये तो बहुत इजी था. चलो मैं बताऊंगी, नो इश्यूज. फिर भी मैं बताऊंगी आपको. ठीक है, बट ऐसा नहीं है कि मैम ने मेरा नहीं बताया, मैम ने मेरा नहीं बताया. आप क्या करोगे, आप व्हाट्सएप पे टॉपिक्स लिख दोगे, मुझे सेंड कर दोगे जो जो डिफिकल्ट है. ठीक है, फिर मैं अब सारे बोल रहे हैं. अभी वामिका ने मुझे कोई और टॉपिक बोला, प्रत्यक्ष ने कोई. हम एक दिन में एक ही टॉपिक डिस्कस कर सकते हैं ना बेटा. ऐसा तो नहीं हम सारे टॉपिक्स डिस्कस कर लेंगे. तो वामिका मुझे जो बताएगी मैं वामिका का टॉपिक ले लूंगी. आई टेक दैट वामिका's टॉपिक फर्स्ट, फिर देन आई टेक योर टॉपिक एंड अनदर डे. फिर उसके बाद किसी और ने अगर मुझे कोई टॉपिक बोल रखा होगा वो मैं नेक्स्ट डे ले लूंगी या नेक्स्ट पीरियड में ले लूंगी. whenever we will get the time like this one by one. और मैं बता दूंगी बेटा. मैं उस जैसे आपको पिक्टोरियल रिप्रेजेंटेशन डेटा वाला ही करना है जैसे कि प्रत्यक्ष. ठीक है, आपको वही वाला डिस्कस करना है सपोज pictorial representation of data वाला. Then what I will do, I will write in WhatsApp today. मैं एक दिन पहले इन्फॉर्म कर दूंगी कि हम WhatsApp पे बताऊंगी मैं. ठीक है, कि हम ये वाला टॉपिक कल डिस्कस करने वाले. ठीक है, तो आप प्रेजेंट हो जाना नेक्स्ट डे. यू सपोज आप वामिका वाला जो टॉपिक है वो आपको आता है. ठीक है, आपको जो है अपना वाला सीखना है, आपको आता है अपना वो वामिका वाला तो टॉपिक आता है. आपको ये पिक्टोरियल रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ डेटा वाला सीखना है. सो हाउ विल यू डू दैट? तो आप क्या करोगे, व्हाट यू विल डू, you will I will just post it on the WhatsApp today. Tomorrow we will discuss this topic. तो वामिका वाला टॉपिक होगा, आप नहीं ज्वाइन करना. if you want you can join. If you don't want to see this Vamika's topic, you don't join. If you don't want to waste your time, then you want to do something else, you can do something else. अगर आपको फिर आपका मैंने पिक्टोरियल रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ डेटा देखा, वामिका को वो आता है, वामिका को नहीं ज्वाइन करना है, आपको करना है तो आप वो ज्वाइन कर लेना. अंडरस्टूड माय पॉइंट एवरीवन? ये खाली प्रत्यय से वामिका के लिए नहीं है, ये सबके लिए है,
Yes,
ये
ma'am.
सबके लिए है। ठीक है, अभी मैं लार्ज नंबर्स करूंगी, नेक्स्ट पीरियड में आई विल डिस्कस मेजरमेंट एज वामिका सेड। अभी मैं व्हाट्सएप पर भी टाइप कर दे रही हूँ, मैं ये व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पर भी सेंड कर दे रही हूँ। इन दिस पीरियड वी विल डिस्कस, मैं व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पर सेंड करूंगी।
Ma'am,
ठीक है,
I have
समझ,
also doubt in chapter.
हाँ, which where बेटा?
Ma'am, I'm telling wait. Ma'am, I also doubt in chapter measurement.
मेजरमेंट हम नेक्स्ट पीरियड में करेंगे। इन दिस पीरियड वी विल डिस्कस, आई एम टाइपिंग द सेम थिंग ऑन द व्हाट्सएप आल्सो। इन दिस पीरियड वी विल डिस्कस लार्ज नंबर्स। नेक्स्ट पीरियड वी विल, अभी इसके बाद भी एक नेक्स्ट पीरियड है, उसमें हम डिस्कस करेंगे मेजरमेंट।
Ma'am, we will do math work also.
मैप वर्क?
Yes, ma'am. I have doubt in chapter 8.
ठीक है, एक एक वन बाय वन। इस पीरियड में मैंने लार्ज नंबर सिलेक्ट किया है, नेक्स्ट पीरियड के लिए मेजरमेंट। ठीक है, चैप्टर 8 चैप्टर 9 नहीं बोलोगे बेटा, यू विल यूज द चैप्टर नेम, ओके? चैप्टर नेम या फिर टॉपिक नेम।
Ma'am, I have problem.
Chapter name
Problem.
geometrical shape.
I'll discuss it.
Geometrical shape. Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ,
Ma'am, next period. Ma'am, next period. Ma'am, how time there are next period?
बेटा schedule मैंने
Ma'am,
कल
which
भेजा
time?
था। I'll send the schedule again because there are some changes in the schedule. I have sent the schedule on the WhatsApp group. I'll send it. Today it will be started at soon after this period. The next period will start. जैसे ये period over होगा वैसे ही next period start हो जाएगा। Okay? So let us discuss the large numbers first. इस period हमने large numbers. Rishika is also here. Oh my God, Rishika, you are attending the classes of extra classes. Please do so switch on your videos. Sheesh, you also switch on your video. Everyone switch on your videos. Good. Rishika, please switch on your video. Sheesh, please switch on your video. Rishika, Sheesh, beta, switch on your videos. Yes, some of you are asking it is compulsory. So beta, it's all up to you. If you have doubts, if you want to clear your doubts, you can just join the classes. If you don't want to join the classes, it's all up to your choice. Okay, Rishika, we'll enjoy these classes as well. We'll do some activities also, as well as we'll do so the question answers. अच्छा, copy के बारे में, copy आप make a separate notebook for this remedial classes. हम मैथ्स नोटबुक को इससे कंबाइन नहीं करेंगे। These are entire, आप समझ लो मैं अब दूसरी टीचर हूँ मैथ्स की, ओके? तो मेरी कॉपी भी दूसरी है, वो जो मैं पढ़ाती हूँ दैट इज डिफरेंट, दिस इज डिफरेंट। These extra classes are different. Remedial classes are just like your extra classes. These classes are different. Yes, Manas. Rishika, please switch on your video if you can hear me. वो जो मैं मैथ्स के क्लासेस कराती हूँ वो अलग है, ये पीरियड्स अलग है, ओके? ओके, so as you know, as I told you in the beginning when you were taking the classes, I think on WhatsApp, I told you the difference between the digits and numbers. Can somebody tell me what is the difference between the digit and a number? Can somebody tell me what is the difference between the digits and numbers? Anyone of you can tell me? Digits और number एक ही चीज होती है, अलग अलग होती है? Are they same or not?
Ma'am, in digits, like, ma'am, we can, ma'am, in digits, the numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, only one number, and in numbers, the digits are making the numbers. So
Very good.
in numbers, there are two numbers.
Very good, Vamika.
Like 11.
Very good, Vamika. Very good. Somebody else can tell me? She's telling it correct. Anybody else who can tell me? Yes, Bhavya.
The fact
Speak up.
Ma'am, please wait for some minutes.
ओके, बट अच्छा ये बताओ मुझे, क्या डिजिट्स और नंबर एक ही चीज होती है, दोनों अलग अलग चीजें होती है? इफ आई राइट 25,
Ma'am, no, they are not same.
they are not same. चलो Bhavika answered
They are
except Bhavika.
They are not same because
अच्छा,
in digit
हाँ,
because digit makes the numbers.
digit means the numbers.
Digits are the singles and numbers are the doubles.
Numbers are the doubles. अच्छा, मुझे आप ये बताओ, have you read English? English पढ़ते हो आप लोग? What is the difference between alphabet and a word? Alphabet और word में क्या difference है?
Ma'am,
And
word is
many
are the singles and words are the full or
See,
alphabet.
alphabets कितने होते हैं? Tell me how many alphabets are there? How many alphabets are there? 26. A, B, C,
26.
D, E, F. There are till Z. Okay. What is a word? How many words are there?
Ma'am, a word. Ma'am, a word is like cat, dog, ball, etc.
Very good. Excellent.
Cat,
A word is a
dog,
cat.
Words
इसमें कितने words होते हैं? बेटा words कितने सारे होते हैं? How many words are there?
words are very a lot.
How many words are there?
Uncountable.
Uncountable. Very good.
Uncountable.
Very good.
We can
Uncountable words.
Uncountable.
Uncountable. You can make any word. आप जब अल्फाबेट कलेक्ट करते हो, वर्ड अगर आप बदल रहे हो, कैट, कैट आपने अल्फाबेट कलेक्ट किया है तभी तो कैट बना है. बॉल, if you collect 1 B A L L, when you collect alphabets it forms a word. जब आप अल्फाबेट कलेक्ट करते हो तो वर्ड बन जाता है. बेटा सेम डिफरेंस डिजिट्स और नंबर्स में भी होता है. The same numbers, the difference is between the digits and numbers. Digits are only 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. कितने हो गए digits? How many total digits are there?
9 digits.
10 digits. 10
10.
हो गए. 1 से लेके 9 तक there are 9 and 1 10. 10 digits है total. अब जब digits combine करते हैं, when we combine the digits, it forms a number. तो वो क्या बन जाता है? Number.
Number.
When we combine digits,
numbers
it
are
forms a
countable.
number. Like 26, 342, 555. अच्छा,
Then I also.
if I say 5, look here. If I say 5 is a digit or a number?
Ma'am, digit. Ma'am, digit.
Is it not a number?
digit.
Is it not a number?
Ma'am, because it is single, so it is a digit.
No. Single or double से नहीं बोलते बेटा. अच्छा, मैंने बोला है इसमें I. I is a word or a letter? I is a word or a letter? Alphabet or a word? Alphabet है या word है?
Alphabet. Ma'am,
वो I तो
alphabet.
मैं को बोलते हैं. I तो मैं को बोलते हैं. I means मैं in Hindi. I तो मैं को बोलते हैं. हाँ?
I is an alphabet.
I is in alphabet also. I is word also.
Yes,
I am
ma'am.
playing. If you are saying I am playing, so I is a word also ना. मैं खेल रहा हूँ. I am playing. Then I am studying. So मैं क्या हुआ? I is what? I is a word also. I is an alphabet also. Similarly, 5. 5 is a number also, and 5 is a digit also. 5 is only one digit number. 5 कितने digits का है? 1 digit का number है. 555, ये कितने digit का number है?
Ma'am, 3.
This is a 3 digit. 26 is how many digit number?
2.
2-digit number.
Ma'am, 2.
342 is how many digit number?
Ma'am, 3.
3-digit number. Very good. Okay, excellent, beta. Wait for a minute. Let me take the attendance. Understood? Okay, I'm going to rub this. अब समझ आया डिजिट और नंबर में डिफरेंस? अब तो नहीं भूलोगे?
Yes, ma'am.
जैसे अल्फाबेट और वर्ड्स होते हैं, वैसे ही आपके डिजिट्स और नंबर्स होते हैं. ओके, अब
Ma'am, now what we will
अभी बता रही हूँ बेटा. अब मैं आपको प्लेस वैल्यू सिस्टम बताती हूँ पहले.
remedial. Ma'am, I'm enjoying this one.
Enjoying this one?
Place.
Okay. Let me teach you place value system. Place value system क्या होता है? देखो. Once, अरे Rishika, are you here? I can't see your video. Previously, I was asking you to switch on your video. Hello, good morning. Good evening, sorry. Good evening.
I was eating lunch.
हाँ, इसमें पढ़ाऊंगी सिर्फ मैं.
I
And
was
I'll be
eating
enjoying.
lunch.
Are you going to attend all the remedial? Are you going to? अच्छा बेटा, Rishika will tell me what is the difference between the digits and numbers. She's going to recall that what is the difference between the digits and numbers. Yes, you are going to tell her. Arey, you explain so well. I am going to make you sit in my place so that you can teach them. You explained that story very well.
No.
You explained that story very well. Please do tell me what is there. What is the difference between the digits and numbers? Please do explain them once. Yes, please do. 6 they are sitting. अभी शीट से भी पूछने वाली हूँ मैं. Athar Singh, are you feeling bored? Hey, Athar Singh, are you feeling bored?
Ma'am, can I tell the difference?
Rishika अभी सुनाएगी अभी. Rishika को ही बताना पड़ेगा अभी मुझे ये. She is going to tell me what is the difference between the digits and numbers. Quick, beta. You are such a good. You explained so nicely. Rishika.
It's a combined they form numbers.
Digits combine and form numbers. What is the difference between the alphabets and letters? Alphabets and words. What is the difference between alphabets and words? Yes. Don't smile. Tell me what is the difference between the alphabets and words. Acha, how many digits are there? How many digits are there? Quick. 10 digits are there. Can you tell me what are they? Mic is off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good. And can you tell me how many numbers are there? How many numbers are there? So many. They are known as, beta, see everyone. So many means the word infinite. So many word means infinite. What do you mean by infinite? Endless. Have you heard the word endless? How many stars are there in the world? How many stars are there in the universe? How many stars are there in the universe?
Ma'am, uncountable.
Uncountable. Yes, Rishika. What?
Trillions of stars. Trillions of stars. Trillions of stars.
Do you know? Acha, trillions of stars. How can you say billions or trillions? Can you count them? You cannot count them. So they are uncountable. They are endless. So that means infinite. Endless. Endless means infinite. The thing which is going on and on and it is not ended. That is known as infinite. Understood everyone?
Ma'am, infinite.
हाँ.
Ma'am, also infinite means unlimited.
Yes, unlimited. We can use the word endless, unlimited. बट मैथ्स में बेटा, मैथ्स में जो वर्ड यूज होता है तो अच्छा नहीं लगता है ये सारे वर्ड्स यूज करना. तो मैथ्स में वी यूज द वर्ड व्हाट? इनफाइनाइट. We use the word infinite. Infinite means endless, uncountable, unlimited. How many, if I ask you how many stars are there in the universe, there are endless stars in the universe. Okay?
Uncountable.
They are uncountable. Or you can use the word uncountable. So in maths, we use the same word for this one. Infinite के लिए हम ये सारे words, we use the word, single word, that is infinite. So better if you use this word infinite. Okay?
Ma'am, there are 100,000 million stars.
अच्छा, ये किसने बोला?
Ma'am, Google.
गूगल. अभी गूगल मैं करती हूँ. चलो, let me see how many stars are in the world. Let me Google. How many stars are in the universe? Sorry. How many stars? मैं भी गूगल से पूछती हूँ. In the sky. It's in the universe. Sorry. In the universe. There are estimates astronomer use maths to the educated guess the skies are brimming strato. चलो सब सर्च करो. सारे के सारे सर्च करो. सब अब यूज कर रहे हो लैपटॉप और स्क्रीन्स.
One infinite number, two infinite number, three, and that is not right.
Yes, there are infinite stars. In Google it is showing. Yes, Sheesh. Yes, Sheesh.
Ma'am, in universe there
And
are
Google is saying there are infinite stars in the universe. We can't count them.
Yes, you cannot count them. Even Google is saying this.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, Google भी नहीं काउंट कर सका है. So there are, so beta, there are infinite numbers. What, understood? Infinite
Ma'am,
stars, so infinite
Ma'am,
numbers.
I have
Yes,
searched,
beta.
so it is showing that 100 billions.
10. आपने क्या टाइप किया बेटा? 10 बिलियन बिलियन आ रहा है. 10 बिलियन बिलियन. 10 बिलियन बिलियन. सो बेटा एग्जैक्ट तो किसी को भी नहीं पता. इसमें लिखा है एक वर्ड और होता है. बेटा
Ma'am, it is written 9096. Ma'am,
वो अपने स्काई में लिखा है बेटा.
impossible to.
हाँ.
Ma'am, I have written sky. Ma'am, it is showing. Google is showing that it is impossible to count stars because, but astronomers
Use math.
Yes, use math to calculate the stars in Milky Way galaxy.
हाँ, तो
The
मिल्की वे
stars
गैलेक्सी का
are
पता है. और
300 billion.
वो भी अप्रोक्सीमेट पता है बेटा. अप्रोक्सीमेट पता है क्या होता है? डू यू नो व्हाट इज अप्रोक्सीमेट? पता है अप्रोक्सीमेट क्या होता है? चलो छोड़ते हैं प्लेस वैल्यू सिस्टम. आज हम बातें ही करते हैं, मैथ्स रिलेटेड बातें. ठीक है? हाँ. यस.
Ma'am, please tell about place values.
अभी बता रही हूँ प्लेस वैल्यू. यस ऋषिका.
There's a date mistake.
Which mistake? Which mistake?
You did a mistake on the date.
Mistake of the date. Where? I'm not getting your voice. Please to type the message, beta. It's not audible. So yes, वो बताऊंगी मैं place value system definitely. Whatever you are going to ask, I will explain everything. So, हाँ, हाँ Manas. Yes, Manas.
And there are unlimited stars.
Ultimated stars. Beta, see, अब मैं approximate का meaning बता रही थी. I was telling you about the meaning of approximate. Approximate क्या होता है? This is also the word used in maths. Approximate means जैसे आपके पास 99 रुपीज है. ओके, 99 रुपीज है. राउंड ऑफ जैसे आप बोलते हो ना, तो आपने कह दिया सपोज मेरे पास आप काउंट नहीं कर पा रहे हो किसी चीज को, तो आप उसको एक अप्रोक्सीमेट ले लेते हो. यू जैसे लगभग सुना है हिंदी में. लगभग सुना है हिंदी में.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? यू हर्ड अबाउट द लगभग. वही जो लगभग होता है दैट इज अप्रोक्सीमेट इन मैथ्स. कि अगर किसी चीज का आपको एग्जैक्ट नंबर नहीं पता है तो आप उसके थोड़ा आसपास बता देते हो. कि ये लगभग इतना होगा, ये लगभग उतना होगा. So that word is known as approximate in math. Understood? ठीक है? Just wait for a minute. Let me check if there is any group message.
I want to travel back at the beginning of Earth.
Beginning of the earth.
Ma'am, I don't want to. Ma'am, I don't want to travel in time machine. I want to make a time machine.
You want to meet the time machine. बेटा उसके लिए बनानी पड़ेगी ना
Yes,
time
ma'am.
machine. तो उसके लिए time machine तुम्हें बनानी पड़ेगी ना. You have to make that time machine.
A time machine will be made in future.
Will be there in future. How do you know? तो future वाले अभी तक आए क्यों नहीं time machine से पीछे? वो time machine लेकर क्यों नहीं आए future वाले?
I think if we will make it, will take 5 to 6 years.
100 years, I think that the world will be changed. It will not look like this with that flame. It will be a great technology.
It will be a
like
great
a
tech.
super technology.
So you want to make time machine? Doraemon में तो बहुत आती है तुम्हारी time machine.
Mars.
हाँ?
Orbit Mars.
On Mars. It is on Mars.
Ma'am, the time machine will take 4 to 5 years to.
बस 4-5 years. 4-5 years तो कुछ नहीं होती. Yes, Rishika, what were you saying?
Man in orbit.
In an orbit, is it? It is in an orbit. The time machine is in orbit. Very nice. What a knowledge you people have. Wow.
Time machine is not
Ma'am,
till now.
I did not.
It is not
I did
invented till now.
Ma'am, a star is bigger than the sun, so a star is 1,000 kilometers big.
You know the exact how many kilometers away is it? You know it?
No.
Yes, you knew
No.
it. Yes.
No.
So how do you know?
Pollux is smaller than the sun. The star
Smaller than its?
No, smaller than this, our sun, than our. The star Pollux is smaller than Earth.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a star's name. That's a star's name. Pollux is a star name.
What is the name? Can you type it?
It's the name of the star.
Can you type the name?
Ma'am, the class is over.
Yes, again Beta, you have to join it again. Beta, you have to join it again, okay? I'll just send the link. This is the second, now the second period will start. Within 2 minutes, you can just come back within 2 minutes, okay? The period is over.